In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Papa John's discount promo code. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser, and right here you'll have to search for Papa John's discount promo code. Go to this website right here, which is called Coupon Follow, and as you can see, we have a list with some promo codes that you can use in order to get some discounts. So let's say, for example, that you want to get this one with a 25% discount. Tap right here where it says show coupon code. And this is a promo code that you can copy, and you can apply this promo code to the next order so that you can get a 25% discount. Also, going back to the main search, we have this website which is called Simply Codes. And here, as you can see, we have a list with other promo codes that you can use to get some discounts and some benefits. So if you want to get this one with a 25% discount right here, you can simply tap on this button where it says your code. And this is a promo code that you can copy, and you can apply this promo code on your next order to get a 25% discount. So this is pretty much all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.